What do you reckon?
I think we do it. I'm Matt.
I'm Simon.
And we like building things. So, how did we get here?
Well, you had a band.
I did.
You needed a drummer.
I did.
That's this guy.
It was. Death metal's fun.
Death metal's fucking sick. Working in this band together, we discovered that I had a problem to solve, and we were going to solve it together. I had to sort out my in-ears and clicks for on stage.
So we decided to build him a custom drum rig, with everything housed in the one case, and it turned out pretty awesome.
I love that thing, man.
Still using it to this day, right?
To this day.
From then on, we realized we had a whole bunch of common interests, like the music, computers, gaming, tech, whole heap of nerdy stuff, and of course, cars.
Cars.
They consume us. So, why are we here in front of my garage?
Well, you and I both have a ton of junk that's been lying around for ages, hasn't been looked at, needs a bunch of work.
Yep.
And we thought, why not turn a camera on?
Yeah, see if people like it.
Pretty much. And the convergence point of all of these Venn diagrams, ideally, is going to be this channel.
We hope so.
Yeah.
But
It's not in any state to be worked in right now,
the
is it?
garage is horrible.
Needs a ton of work.
We probably should get onto that.
Let's do it.
All right.
Yep.
Simon, what the hell are we doing?
Manual labour in the blistering Australian heat.
And why are we doing it?
We love torturing ourselves. We're doing it for the content.
Are we idiots?
Yeah.
Crap. We're getting there.
Ah, it's fine. It's got a bag of spiders and all the rest.
That's the barbecue cover, but it's actually just a bag of spiders.
Just a spider catcher. That's all it is.
Should I help?
I think you should help.
I don't know. I'm
Yeah.
enjoying not helping.
I know. Step into my office.
That wasn't creepy. Last thing. It's in. We're done.
I washed my hands of it.
Is this where I tell you that I'm not actually doing YouTube with you? I just need a hand clearing out my garage.
Thanks so much. Cheers, Simo.
So yeah, this is going to be the home of the channel for the foreseeable future. We've done it. It was a lot of work, but it was worth it. What do you reckon?
We did it.
I thought so.
It's
Yeah.
done.
It's
Look
done.
at that.
But you may have noticed there's a dirty great red thing right in the middle of it.
Dirty?
I mean, there's only a few pictures drawn on it.
Yeah, it's pretty dirty.
Just a bit of TLC.
It's been about 6 years since it's moved, started, any of that sort of stuff. It's a 1976 Leyland Clubman Mini. Has a fair few issues going on at the moment that need addressing, but the main thing is we need to get it running and driving so we can get it the hell out of here under its own power, because there's no way in hell we're pushing it up and down that hill every day.
Absolutely not. We need to get this thing moved because we need even more space. We need the full space because we've got so many projects coming, cars and not cars. The first one's going to be a big one. That'll be probably a multi-video part series. But yeah, once this is moved, we can really get started. And that's going to be super exciting. So make sure you stick around for the next couple of videos. Wear a couple of tools. We'll catch you in the next one.